Yeah, I'm Yuval Bachar. I work for LinkedIn and I'm leading the project at Open19. Open19 is a new open hardware platform which gives us the ability to take technology from multiple suppliers sharing the same chassis. Open19 defines form factor, defines blind managed connectivity, and defines the way to connect the servers to the world. But as you can see over here, the servers are from a variety of suppliers, from HP Enterprise, Flex, Supermicro, and Inspur, even a homegrown LinkedIn design. And all of these actually coexist in the same chassis at the same time and live together. This is the ultimate disaggregation model that we have for data centers. Every element is completely disaggregated. We have two elements in here, which are a shelf, a power shelf, which gives power for the rest of the system. And we have a system over here which gives us this networking switching, 3.2 terabit of networking switching for every 2 cages. The rack is made by Rital, but it's a standard 4-post rack. And the cage itself is produced by Flextronics right now. We are doing service with the multiple suppliers, including Flextronics. And the power shelf is coming from Delta. And the switch is actually a white box design from LinkedIn that will be open to the industry. So this technology is sharing with OCP the approach of creating open hardware technology. The main difference between the two solutions is that this does not define the server itself. It only defines the form factor and the connectivity aspect, where OCP defines the servers. This fits to any 19-inch standard, and it's a technology which is available for everybody to consume. It will be in production in Q3 this year. When we define the form factor, we've defined the form factor in a way where all existing motherboards can fit into it. So what they did, they took their existing motherboards, dropped it into this form factor, and created an adaptation to our blind mate connectivity of the servers. That's all they did. That's why all of them were able to actually spin their servers in a few months. We have a single chassis over here, which defines the form factor of the servers. And you can already see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types of servers from different suppliers fitting into the same cage, the same infrastructure, the same power distribution and data distribution, which is the biggest achievement we have over here. This interoperability for data center operators is priceless. In the back of the rack is some of the magic that we're doing. We're connecting every independent server with a separate feed of power, which we can monitor and protect, going through what we call snap-on cables. Those snap-on cables fit into the back of the cage, which is completely passive. And we have 100 gigabits per second of snap-on data cable, which is enabling each one of those blocks to be at 100 gigabits per second, linearly growing. So if you go double wide like this one, you get 200 gigabits and twice the power. If you go double high like this one, then you get 4 times the power, 4 times the data connectivity. The power shelf is a fully redundant power shelf with AB inputs and a 3+3 configuration. It can do up to 9.6 kilowatts in a single shelf, and it takes a full range of AC and DC from 90 volt to 480 volt, the same power modules, the same power shelf.